Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 yogurt makers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best yogurt makers. The 5th product on our list is the MVPower. Make a wide range of delicious yogurt using MVPower. This yogurt maker comes with a storage box type container design. It is made from materials that match EU RoHS and FDA standards to ensure that it is 100% safe and sanitary. It is built with a unique structure that can provide equal heat transmission to help maintain lactobacillus activation. Moreover, this model is cost efficient as it only requires 25 watts of power while offering a long incubation time of up to 48 hours to accommodate various active cultures. MVPower also features a microcomputer timer and clear LED display to provide you with more precise temperature control. This model can accommodate 8 6-ounce glass jars, which is included in the package. You can make 8 different flavors at the same time to meet the whole family's preferences. Finally, the jars are compact enough so you can either store them in your fridge for later or pack them so you can drink them at school or office whenever you want. Its pros are: it provides equal heat transmission, it only requires low power consumption, and it comes with intelligent timing control. However, the cons are: the instruction manual is vague, the temperature control is somewhat inconsistent, and it takes a long time to create good yogurt. But if you want to make yogurt in your own kitchen without spending a lot, MVPower is surely one of your best options. Its low power consumption allows you to save money on your electric bill. Up next in the 4th place is the Cuisine yogurt maker. Create natural yogurt right on your countertop with Cuisine YMX650 digital automatic yogurt maker. This kitchen machine can turn milk into regular yogurt in just a matter of a few hours. It comes with 7 reusable 6-ounce glass jars with rotary date setting lids for hassle-free storage. All containers are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, so you can be assured that they are safe and easy to clean. Using this yogurt maker is easy. All you have to do is set it up and leave it to do its thing. Start with heating 42 ounces of milk. Then either add Cuisine 5-gram yogurt starter or 3 to 4 teaspoons of plain yogurt and set the timer. Once done, the blue LED digital timer display will beep. This yogurt maker also has an auto shut-off feature that activates after 15 hours of inactivity. This yogurt maker can make yogurts with more probiotics than those yogurts that you can buy in stores. This means it is healthier and more nutritious. It does not come with any food additives, preservatives, and artificial colors. Its pros are: it can make 42 ounces of yogurt in less than 10 hours. It provides great value for money. It has 7 glass jars. And it comes with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. However, the jar lids do not seal properly. Have full control over your yogurt with Cuisine yogurt maker. This model allows you to follow your preferred fat content, consistency, flavor, and sweetness. Still haven't found the yogurt maker that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Cuisine GY50. If you want some Greek yogurt, consider Cuisine GY50. This Greek yogurt maker can transform up to 2 quarts of plain yogurt, whether store-bought or homemade, into Greek yogurt. It allows you to make cheese yogurt too. Cuisine GY50 is made entirely of BPA-free plastic, making it entirely safe for use. The manufacturer adheres to the European standards of food safety. It measures 10 by 10 by 5.25 inches, and it will fit perfectly inside your refrigerator. Its flat-top stackable design even allows you to stack other items for a compact, space-saving solution. This Greek yogurt maker comes with an ultra-fine mesh strainer that guarantees you amazing results. It will strain the yogurt without losing anything except the whey, so that you can have your desired cheese-like consistency. You can perfectly use it to make healthy dips and spreads and delicious tzatziki, salad topping, and sweet berry desserts. It also comes with a recipe book that can help you to try other yogurt creations. Its pros are: it is affordable, it is easy to use, it is perfect for making thick yogurt, and it comes with a great strainer. However, you need to wash the mesh strainer meticulously with hot water after each use. Cuisine's GY50 is a great addition to every kitchen. It can help you pursue a healthy lifestyle by allowing you to make your own Greek yogurt. The second product on our list is the Whynter ICM-220CGY. Whynter ICM-220CGY is a multifunctional, self-contained frozen dessert maker that does not require pre-freezing. However, it also comes with a yogurt incubator function. You can use it to make ice cream, frozen yogurt, sorbet, and yogurt from scratch. This ice cream/yogurt maker has a cooling temperature range of -0.4 degrees Fahrenheit to -31 degrees Fahrenheit. It is designed with a champagne gold-colored BPA-free stainless steel housing with a freezing bowl made of food-grade aluminum. Its lid has a partial flip top that makes mixing ingredients easy. It also allows you to check the progress of your ice cream or yogurt without fully opening the lid. Moreover, this kitchen equipment comes with a stainless steel mixing bowl and churn blades. This model comes with an LCD timer control that includes a built-in audible timer. It also has an auto shut-off feature that activates when the mixture freezes solid. This way you can prevent any damage to your equipment. Finally, it has a separate button that stops the churning but keeps the freezer on for up to 3 minutes. Its pros are: it is a 2-in-1 kitchen appliance. It has a motor protection function, and it comes with a 1-year limited warranty. However, the cons are: it is only for household use, and its mixing bowl and churn blades are not dishwasher safe. Make yourself yogurt as well as ice cream with the Whynter ICM-220CGY. This 2-in-1 kitchen equipment allows you to make your favorite desserts in the comfort of your kitchen. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top yogurt maker is the Bear Yogurt Maker. The Bear Yogurt Maker is an automatic and digital yogurt maker with a unique 304 stainless steel inner pot. It can create constant and equal heating transmission of 104 degrees Fahrenheit, maintaining the activation of lactobacillus. This kitchen equipment can cater to the needs of the whole family. It features a set of 2 1-quart glass jars and 4 ceramic cups that can accommodate larger batches of yogurt and different flavors and thickness. It also allows you to experiment with a strainer to make yogurt that is more mellow and thicker. The Bear Yogurt Maker provides a constant temperature for each function. Moreover, it allows you to adjust the precise time up to 48 hours for personal taste. You can see all the details of your settings on the easy-to-read LCD screen. Additionally, this model comes with an auto shut-off function that prevents any damage. This compact kitchen appliance measures around 7.6 by 7.6 by 7.3 inches, so it will surely fit in your kitchen. Another thing is it comes with food-grade BPA-free safety glass containers with lids, so you can guarantee that it makes healthy and nutritious homemade yogurt free from any artificial color, food additives, and preservatives. But aside from yogurt, you can use this equipment to make Greek yogurt, fermented wine, and soft cheese. Its pros are: it is multifunctional, it is easy to use, it is easy to clean, and it comes with good temperature control. However, it comes with confusing instructions. Nonetheless, once you figure everything out, you will be enjoying making yogurt of various flavors. So, Bare Yogurt Maker is really a yogurt maker to consider. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.